Hi, this is Clarita with Absolute Best. I want to invite you to come to our studio on Thursday, first Thursday, June 6th. I'll be doing a book signing because I'm promoting my new book. I am Imagination, Action, Memorization, the way to your absolute best. And if you guys know me, you know that my approach to wellness is holistic. That's why I have a doctor of chiropractic here who also does acupuncture. We also have a physical therapist at our studio here in San Pedro, by the way. The Personal Best building on 6th Street. That's where Absolute Best is. And our approach is that you treat the whole body. It's holistic. We treat the mind, body, and spirit here. And that's what my book approaches as well. What I like to talk about in the book is how you can use your powers of imagination. You can close your eyes and you can visualize the kind of life that you would love to have for yourself. What do you look like in that life? What do you wear in that life? Who are your relationships with in that life? What are you doing? Are you in a career? Are you at home with your kids? Are you in a job that you love? Are you doing a business of your own? Are you writing a book? Are you creating a dance? Or what are you creating an art piece? What are you doing in your life when you visualize your absolute best life? If you can see it in your mind, then you can create it in this reality. And how do you do that? Well, then you take action. You use your imagination, you conjure it up in your mind, you see it, you visualize it, then you take active steps. You become proactive in your life. What do you have to do? How do I get from here to there? What steps do I need to take? Who do I need to talk to? How much money do I have to amass? You know, if you're not happy in your career, maybe you want to start a business of your own. Well, how much money are you going to need? What kind of business is it? Who are you going to mentor with? Who are you going to learn from to know what it is that you have to do? And then finally, as you move and you progress through your journey of becoming your absolute best, what do you feel? What are you feeling inside? Memorize those feelings. Memorize those wins. Memorize those sensations of, yes, I can do it. I did it correctly. Or, oops, made a mistake there. I faltered. Where did I go wrong? How could I learn from these mistakes? So all of those accoutrements that you have, your mind, your emotional connectivity to your body, how it affects your muscles and your reactions, all of that stuff is what I talk about when I say you need to treat your body holistically. You need to treat your life holistically. You need to treat your relationships, your career, or your aspirations for financial wealth. All of that needs to be done in a holistic way. And that's what my book is about. We take you through very powerful exercises. We teach you goal setting and follow through measures and meditative measures so that you can sit, analyze, contemplate. Gratitude, teach you how to give yourself the kudos and be in gratitude about the abundance that you already have. That's what my book is about. That's what I want to teach you. And I want you to come and join me on Thursday, first Thursday in San Pedro at 6 p.m. at our studio, which is in the Personal Best building on 6th Street. Come on in, I'll sign your book, and we'll do some exercises together. Meditation, breathing, stretching. Come and take a look at what we got for you here. We'd love to meet you. See you then.